The arrest of this man, accused of raping and murdering a 19-year-old in Gujarat, led to the uncovering of several other crimes he had committed.
और 4 मर्डर उसने पिछले 25 दिनों में किए हैं, ये वो कन्फेस कर रहा है।
This is the story of a serial killer in Gujarat. On 14th November 2024, the police found the dead body of a 19-year-old woman near the railway tracks near Udwada railway station in the Valsad district. The victim was returning home from tuition in the evening that day when she was attacked from behind, raped and murdered, after which the police began their investigation to find the culprit.
लड़की के रिलेटिव की फरियाद लेके दुष्कर्म और हत्या की एफआईआर दाखिल की गई थी।
Several teams were formed, and after checking more than 2,000 CCTV cameras across several Gujarat districts, they found the culprit at Vapi railway station.
उस सस्पेक्ट ने पहने हुए कपड़े हमें जो सीन ऑफ क्राइम था लड़की का वहां से मिले थे।
It was revealed that he allegedly raped the victim multiple times, even when she was dead. The police said that Rahul Jat had gone to the hotel where he worked to collect his salary and then committed the crime while he was there. A joint operation was carried out by police forces from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Orissa, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh to nab the culprit, since he kept changing his locations. The police revealed his alleged involvement in 4 other murders. According to the police, on 25th October, Jat had an argument with a passenger over cigarettes in a differently abled train compartment on the Bengaluru-Murdeshwar train in Karnataka, and he killed the passenger during the fight. That same month, he sexually assaulted and murdered a woman passenger on the Pune-Kanyakumari train near Solapur railway station in Maharashtra. On 19th November, he stabbed a 63-year-old man multiple times, killed him and robbed him on the Katihar Express in West Bengal. 4 days later, he robbed and killed a woman on the Mangalore Special Express at Sikandarabad railway station. Rahul was from Haryana's Rohtak. According to the police, he had over 10 criminal cases filed against him in Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh.
इस प्राइम सस्पेक्ट को बैक ट्रैकिंग और फॉरवर्ड ट्रैकिंग किया गया था। उसके फोटो के साथ मैचिंग एक डिटेल मिली थी जो जोधपुर की सेंट्रल जेल की एक्यूज से मिलती जुलती थी।
He was in jail from 2018 to 2019 and again in 2024 for drug theft and illegal arms smugglings in Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. On 25th November, Jat was arrested from Vapi railway station.
और एक चौकस इंफॉर्मेशन के आधार पे कल जो ट्रेन में वापी ट्रेन में एक अक्यूज ये जो हमारा सस्पेक्ट है वो आ रहा है, ऐसी माहिती के आधार पे वापी की जीआरपी और वहाँ की लोकल आरपीएफ इन्होंने इस अक्यूज को धर दबोचा है।
The police suspected that he might be involved in additional offences, and the investigation was still underway at the time of publishing this report.